Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I am Ipshita and in today's video I'll be doing some Instagram inspired nail art with gel polish. So let's start. I've already painted my nails with this color. This color number is 918. Can you see? 918. And I have applied 2 coats of this color, curing for 60 seconds in between. Now I'm taking Venalisa's 926, a red color. I will take a palette and will pour some color on it. Oh my god, what happened? Why it's not opening? There. Sorry guys. Now I'll take it on my palette. Now again I forgot something. You know, I have a tendency of forgetting. So I'll be using Emmy's top coat in matte on these nails. So let me, and will cure it for 60 seconds. Emmy's top coat is very beautiful. If you use it, you will understand the difference between other top coats and this top coat. Now this is not a sponsored video, please. I am giving my honest opinion because I am using these products. My nails are all matte now. Now I will start one more thing. Why, you may ask that why did I do it matte? Because on matte painting is easier than on a glossy surface. So I am taking a very thin brush. I have colored it so that you can understand the thickness, and will start drawing some patterns. From here I'm doing a voiceover, as because I have sped up my clips, just because you don't get bored, because brush painting, I mean line paintings, takes a little more time than any other painting. So you have to be very cautious while painting it. So I was moving very slowly and doing the brush painting, and of course cure it in between while you are painting the abstract design. I'm sorry, I didn't tell you what type of design I am doing. This is a sort of abstract art. Now this abstract art is very viral in Instagram. So from there I got the idea and wanted to do this design for a long time. Now while you do this, it may so happen that you may smudge up somewhere, or your line may become crooked. So you can always clean it up with a cleanup brush and some alcohol, and again you start drawing, and in between the lines always cure it, I mean give it a flash cure of 5 seconds. And you can also use multiple colors. You can use different colors, different glitters, you can use stones in it, but somehow I felt that this beige and red combination does not demand any more colors. It only it's getting it's becoming eye catchy with only these 2 designs. And see, I have done my nail matte just because to draw properly on my nails, but now I am seeing that on matte background the glossy lines are coming out so beautiful. It's looking a big beautiful contrast, and you can draw any type of pattern. Like the way I am showing, it is not that you have to follow this pattern only. You can make wriggles in between the lines. You can, it's your creativity, you know, the way you create or the way you want your nails to look at. Only I'm showing you the technique, but the creativity is completely yours. Now this type of designs are only done with gel pens. Now I have a challenge to myself. I will try, I am not committing, but I'll try on camera to do this type of design with different acrylic colors. I mean acrylic powders. Let me see whether I can bring out this type of the thinness, and at one point it is thin and at one point it is thick. So I want to create that pattern with acrylic colors. What do you tell me, friends? Will it be great? Please let me know in the comment. If I get say you give me this emoji, you just post this emoji and tell me whether you want to see me doing this type of design with acrylic powders. I will build the full nail with acrylic powders by doing this design. Okay, so it's a challenge for myself and it's up to you guys. Now you tell me whether I will do it or not. And yeah, it's a like it will be a fun video then. Let me know in the comments. Okay, now my hand was trembling too much while doing this design. Maybe I'm aging, or maybe it is a small nail and doing line designs, so my hand was painting. I'm sorry, painting. My hand was trembling. Actually, when I used to paint, I am a painter. So when I used to paint, the best portion, other people used to tell me the best portion of my painting were the eyes. Just think how much skill was required to paint a realistic eye. Anyway, people used to tell me. Now that was a big canvas and this is a small nail. So maybe it will take time. Practice makes it perfect. Let's see. Now video did not end here, guys. There are more to see. There are more steps. Please stay, guys. Now my nails are cured. Now I'm going to take gelish golden. Any golden you can use, just to give some touches here and there, not everywhere. I said I won't use another color, but somewhere I thought let's use this golden. Just give some touches here and there, you know. It brings up the design pops up. So again, go on curing in between, and I mean curing, flash curing, not curing, flash curing. Okay, and this time my hand is not trembling. After doing the after doing the index finger, my hand became steady. As I told you, practice makes it perfect. So I got practiced with the thumb and the index finger, and thereafter my hand did not tremble. So once you finish painting the golden lines, cure it for 60 seconds, full cure, give it a full cure of 60 seconds in LED lamp. So my nail is completely cured. It's looking very beautiful. So let me keep the base matte, and only on the design I will make it glossy. So I will take some top coat. Again I am using Emmy's glossy top coat. This is little thick. See how thick it is. That much is enough. Now I will take the top coat and apply it on the design only. Now if you want, you can completely keep it matte. You can completely top coat it with a matte top coat, and if you want to have glossy finish, you can completely give a glossy top coat. But here I thought this combination would really look good, so I am trying it. it's now again, this is up to you what type of coat, I mean what type of finish you are going to give. Now here you can use some bling, you can use some stickers, you can use some, what else, whatever you like, you can give anything you like. As far as you need to keep your nails attractive as ever. Now from here again I will shift to camera voice. So how do you like this? The glossy and the matte finish together. I am very satisfied by doing this. Actually, I was longing for many days to do this design on my hand. Anyway, hope this tutorial was useful for you, and I'm going to link all the products which I used in this video in the description box. So please check it there, and do subscribe to my channel to get more videos like this, and obviously click the notification bell, otherwise how will you know when I am uploading? So see you again in the next video. Until then, stay safe, stay happy. Chalo, dekha habe.